All right, so let's get right into it. We have the Ohsnap grip and the Ohsnap Snapcharge, which I'm really the most interested or intrigued about out of this what I got here. Ohsnap is a grip, supposedly, one of the thinnest grips out there. I've never actually used a grip on my phone before, and I saw this and I thought it looked pretty interesting. And the way it works is you have this piece and then you attach it back here. This comes out and you can use it as a grip. It says a stand, also a magnet, and this piece just goes onto that piece, and this is what attaches to your phone. Let's see if I can open this real quickly. So I guess you have installation. Here's little steps on how to do it. Pretty cool. This is made out of plastic. It looks pretty good, pretty lightweight. And I mean, it says this is, kind of like the snap part of it. Not sure how you use it as a stand yet. Really haven't messed with it too much. But that's the main part of the Ohsnap grip. And then you have the Ohsnap Charge, which that was one of the most intriguing parts of this thing for me. So it's a magnetic wireless charger. So seems pretty self-explanatory. And this is the charger portion of it. You have your USB-C, charger. Goes right in there. And then you have your USB that you would plug into, your power brick or in your car. And this is where I really want to use this, is in my car. All right, I went ahead and installed the Ohsnap to the phone, so it's ready to go. Here you'll see it's pretty thin. The way it works is you put your finger right in there, and then you'll be able to use your phone more of that one-handed without having, to put your normal down here. You're up a little bit higher, so you can reach more. You open an app pretty easily, and you just start scrolling. So it's pretty nice. And also, you can turn this part here, and that way you can have it in landscape mode this way. Here, that way you can see stuff this way, so it's nice, pretty smooth. Goes right back. I also got the Ohsnap Charge. Here it is. It connects magnetically this way. Then you plug it in via the USB. So you can use it as your charger, like so. And so that's the Ohsnap Charge. So I'm quickly gonna show you how the Ohsnap connects to the Ohsnap Charge. And these little grooves align with these right here. Quick and easy. I have a case on there, and it still will wirelessly charge. So let me show you how it works. So right there. Boom, just like that. Pretty strong magnet, as you can tell, and you'll see that it's charging it. So close that up, and I'm gonna take it right off. I'm gonna show you. Yeah. Just like that, quite easy. I'm gonna hold it from the back. Pretty strong magnet, so pretty nice. And I bought this because I wanted to use it in my car. I wanted to see if it was strong enough to work with a car mount that I already had in my car, and it does work. So I put this on, put the Ohsnap on a couple of days ago. So I've been using it, and then yesterday I finally used it in my car, and it's a pretty strong magnet. So I'm gonna show you, just like that, already connected. So let me show you. Boom. You can move it over a little bit, and then that thing is not going anywhere. And then you can get your phone, and there you go. One connection. You know, this part here goes into the vent. Pretty thick, but it definitely works. Like, that is not coming off. It's gonna stay on there, so you can charge your phone wirelessly while you're driving. You don't have to have this plugged in, and just use it as the mount and then plug it in whenever you want it. And then this comes right off. And then this is super strong. I can't even pull it off. Actually, I've been just having to slide this thing off because it's been so strong in there, and then I can pull it off. So yeah, this is not going anywhere in that car. And I'll also put a video of me driving around, freeway driving, street driving, so that way you can see the bumps, the speed, all that stuff, and how it doesn't even move. So I'll put up a video in a couple of days or so showing you that part of it. And it says for full 15 watt charging speeds, make sure you use a 15 watt power brick, so you can get much faster speeds with this wireless charger with the upgraded power brick. And then I also did get the steel ring kit, 2 extra ones. So this is what goes onto the phone first. Let's see if I can take this off real quick. So you'll see this is the steel ring there, and this goes right on top of that. So I got 2 extra ones in case I want to put this on a different case. No pun intended. So I'll put that right back on there. And so I think these are like $5 when I did the campaign, the crowdfunding campaign. So I thought it was worth it. You get 2 extras in there, and I could put it on a different case. I'm not sure if these steel rings are reusable, so I figured just get this and not have to worry about that. So that's the Ohsnap. Looks pretty good. In the last couple of days that I have used it, I have liked it. Definitely something to get used to. I've never used, one of these, I don't know what they're called. Pop sockets is what I remember them being called, but I think that's like the brand. But I'm definitely getting adjusted to it, getting used to it. Definitely gives you a different kind of positioning of holding the phone, which makes it much easier to hold. This is the iPhone Pro 12 Max. So it gives you an idea of what it would look like on the Pro Max. And it's pretty good. I'm liking it. If I have any updates, I'll definitely update you guys. This little piece back here is like an elastic. I wonder if you pull it too much or too hard, like if it starts to stretch out or not. Like once you use it, it kind of just goes right back in there. So it's pretty nice. This is, like I said earlier, made of plastic, but feels good to me. So there is an upgraded metal one. I forget what kind of metal it is, but there is an upgraded one. It's called the Ohsnap Lux, but I just went with the plastic one. I figured I didn't really need the metal one. If I did, I would have upgraded after the fact, but so far so good. No complaints here. So that's all I have. Like I said, the next video will be me driving in the car, so you can see how this works with the mount, and just different types of driving, city driving, highway driving as well. If you have any questions, any comments, please put them down below. If you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the videos, and like always, just keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Bye.